watch me. Anyway, it's like an ongoing joke between me and Cookie because every time I look at the clock, I always text her, it's 3:11, it's 2:11, it's 11:11, it's 4:11. The 11s are just getting me. So it is 5:11. Yes. So I'm getting ready to go to the store after I get the kids fed. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna make the kids to eat. And then we're going to the store. And we have to get a few things. I need to get a card for my phone and I have to get a card for my phone. I have to. It's being really loud. Sorry. It's so hard for me to make this video anymore because the kids. Logan, stop, please. It's being loud. Anyways, I got a few things packed up today. I got a couple boxes and then I bagged up some of the toys and threw away a bunch of toys and everything, and so now I'm just basically I'm gonna make something for the kids to eat, and then once Tom gets home, we are leaving and we are going to the store. I have to get stuff for St. Patrick's Day dinner, and then I have to get a card for my phone and a few other things from the store. So yeah, pretty much that is what is going on tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make a video tonight while I'm at the store. Oh my lord. I keep forgetting to turn the sound off before I make a video. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. My phone is chiming and everything, so I'm gonna go because I can make dinner. So